When customers call your building or construction business, the first voice they hear matters. Whether you're a building contractor, construction company, roofing specialist, electrician, plumber, groundworks contractor, or property services business, your telephone system is often the first point of contact. Welcome messages, busy messages, opening times, out-of-hours information, emergency contact details, and clear instructions for when your team is on site and unable to answer. Professionally recorded messages make sure your callers know exactly what to do, even when you're busy building, working on site, or away from the office. You can provide your own scripts, or I can help you structure the messages you need. From a single voicemail recording to a complete set of telephone messages, every recording is produced professionally and supplied ready for your telephone system. If your building or construction business needs professional voicemail or telephone messages, visit spencercall.co.uk to find out more, or request a demo recording so you can hear what your message could sound like.